All right, so she's a talented, very talented and anointed worship leader who is guided by the spirit of excellence in all she does. Here she is again. We heard her this morning, fantastic effort this morning. So Latoya HD and the High Definition Band.
Mistakes are hard to live with, choices I should have made that would have made life worth living, start a brighter day. But all things work together for my good. All I need to do is allow you to move me out of my way, breathe new life and fashion me in your likeness. When you're through with these dry bones, they will become a living soul. Oh, yeah. See, I know that I'm not perfect and I mess up at times. When I think I know the right way, God's design proves it's a lie. My ultimate purpose must be fulfilled, and that's all that really matters. So move me out of my own way, breathe new life and fashion me in your likeness. When you're through with these dry bones, they will become a living soul. For thou knowest what you want me to be, thou seest what you have called me to be. My whole reason for living is not just to merely exist, but to bring glory